Today in the online class session of accountancy, I will explain you one more question based on the topic accounting for issue of debentures, keeping in view or considering the terms and condition of redemption. So reading out the question, Luxury Cosmetics Limited issued 30 lakh 9% debentures. There are 30 lakh 9% debentures of the company Luxury Cosmetics Limited of rupees 500 each. The face value of the one debenture is 500. Each at a discount of 4%. The debentures were issued at 4% discount. Just calculate 4% of 500 rupees, you will get the answer 20. Okay, right? Means due to discount of rupees 20, wherever this discount amount is included, in that installment we will receive 20 rupees less. Okay, now further reading out the question, redeemable at a premium of 5%. At the time of redemption, we will take back our debentures at an extra amount of 5%. Just calculate 500, 5%. We will get the answer 25 rupees. Okay, so 20 is the discount amount at the time of issue, and at the time of redemption, the premium is 25 rupees. Both are losses. The total loss here will be 25 plus 20, 45 rupees. Okay, keep in mind. Okay, we have to use this point in some of the entry related to due cases. Rupees 200 on application. Out of 500 rupees, 200 rupees is called at the time of application, and the balance, how much balance will left? 500 minus 200, 300 rupees. It will be called up at the time of allotment. Means here we need not to pass the joint entry of application and allotment. We have to separate application and allotment journal entries. Okay, right? So let us first of all pass the journal entry for application. Bank account debit to 9% debenture application account, and at the time of application 200 rupees is called 30 lakh were the debentures. 30 lakh multiplied by 200, we will get the answer 60 crore. Okay, application money received on 30 lakh debentures at the rate of rupees 200 each. Okay, then the due entry for application 9% debenture application account debit to 9% debentures account, again the same amount 60 crore. Okay, will be written in the amount column. Now third journal entry. Okay, keep in mind, if it is not mentioned that this discount amount at the time of issue which was given to the debenture holders, where its treatment is to be done, then we have to assume that this discount amount is treated in the allotment journal entry. Okay, this discount amount is to be adjusted in allotment. Okay, for allotment, how much amount was due? 500 minus 200 application installment, you will get the answer 300 rupees. But 300 rupees was not the calling value. The calling value of debentures at the time of allotment installment was 300 minus 4% discount, that is 20 rupees. Then what will be the calling value of allotment? 300 minus 20, 280 rupees. Okay, calling value of allotment. So let us pass the journal entry related to allotment installment. 9% debenture allotment account debit. Already I told you that in front of 9% debenture allotment application, first call, final call, we have to multiply debentures by the calling value. The calling value of debenture is 280 and the number of debentures are 30 lakh. 30 lakh multiplied by 280, you will get the answer 84 crore. Okay, loss on issue of debentures I already told you, okay, in the beginning, that total loss was of rupees 20 plus 25. 20 was the discount on at the time of issue and 25 was the premium amount at the time of redemption. Okay, so total loss will be 45 rupees. 30 lakh debentures multiplied by 45, we will get the answer 13 crore 50 lakh rupees. Okay, to 9% debentures account. Again, already I told you that in front of 9% debentures, always you need to multiply number of debentures by the face value. Face value per debenture in the allotment installment is 300. So multiply 30 lakh by 300, you will get the answer 90 crore. To premium on redemption of debenture, at the time of redemption of debenture, the premium amount was 25 rupees. 30 lakh minus 30 lakh multiplied by 25, you will get the answer 7 crore 50 lakh rupees. Okay, multiply 30 lakh by 25. Now the calling value at the time of allotment installment is 84 lakh. So this is the amount which we are going to receive in installment. Bank account debit to 9% debenture allotment account 84 lakh rupees. Okay, so this is the complete solution of the question. Okay, see once again, get the screenshot and copy this solution in your notebook. Okay, right. After this, try to solve question number 29. Okay, and one more question is left, 27 and 29 question you have to try yourself. Okay, and if any query, you can just get your query solved, get the problem solved with the help of messaging on my personal WhatsApp number. Okay, right, that's all for today.